Fix Events tab missing from Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, if some of the features are not working in Facebook, you have to first update your Facebook app. Open up your Play Store, then search for Facebook. Here, if you see Update, tap onto Update and update your app. Now once done, open up your settings. Scroll below until you see the option of Apps. Tap onto Apps, then again, search for Facebook. Once you see Facebook, tap onto it and go for Storage. Here you have to clear the cache. If you remember your ID and password of Facebook, you can also clear the data. If not, you can leave this as it is and again come back to App Info page. From here, tap on Force Stop on your bottom right corner, then tap OK. Once you do all that, restart your device and that shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.